Welcome to the video. The goal of this video is to talk about becoming a self-advocate and writing effective emails. Let's start by defining a self-advocate. A self-advocate is a person who communicates individual needs to teachers and others. This would include sitting in the front because you need to see the board. They ask specific questions when confused about assignments and seeks help from others when needed. This could be from a teacher, from a friend, or even a principal. One part of becoming a self-advocate is being able to compose an effective email that clearly communicates a need to a teacher. So to help with that, we're going to focus on the 5 key parts of an email. Let's begin with part 1. Part 1 is the subject bar, set the stage. The purpose of the subject bar is to tell the reader the subject of the email. Now you need to keep it relevant and short. Some examples can include confused on homework or question about grade. Part 2 is a formal greeting. Start strong. For a formal greeting, the purpose is to start the conversation. In a real conversation, you wouldn't just walk up to somebody and start talking about your problems. You'd first say hello. You need to make sure that you are formal and respectful in your greeting. Some examples include Dear Mr. or Hello Mrs. Next is the body, convey your message. The purpose of the body is to share your message. Use clear and formal language. Be specific when you have a question, and do not use slang or text talk in the body. Now, some examples include, I'm having trouble with question 6, or can you please explain why I missed a point on this question? Now, you need to add a little bit more than just these to your body paragraph, but I clearly can't fit an entire body paragraph on this slide. Next, you need to be polite. You catch more flies with honey. The purpose is to show respect to your reader. Typically, you're going to be writing to your teachers. They're here to help and should be respected. And remember the phrase, you're more likely to catch flies with honey than vinegar next time you decide to write an email. Lastly, you need to sign off with a formal ending. The purpose is to conclude your message. And be sure to say thank you when making a request. And please sign your full name. Your teachers have a lot of students. They could have more than one Johnny in your class. So some examples include respectfully John Smith or sincerely Talia Johnson. Let's recap all the things that we talked about with writing an email. First, you need to set the stage with the subject bar. Then start strong with a formal greeting. Next, convey your message clearly in the body. And make sure you're polite. We catch more flies with honey. And lastly, sign off with a formal ending. Thanks for watching. Now you're going to take a short assessment to see how you do with the 5 parts of an effective email.